Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link sections in Webflow. This is a fantastic way to improve user experience by allowing visitors to jump directly to relevant content on your pages. We will cover the simple, two-step process of setting up these powerful anchor links, ensuring your website navigation is smooth and intuitive for everyone. First, you need to assign a unique identifier to the section you want a link to. In the Webflow Designer, simply select your target section. Then, head over to the Element Settings panel, which looks like a small gear icon. Locate the ID field and type in a descriptive, unique name, using lowercase letters and hyphens for any spaces. This ID acts as the destination for your link. Next, let's create the actual link that will take your visitors to that section. Add a link element, like a button or text link, to your page. With the link element selected, go to its link settings. Here, you'll choose Page Section as the link type. From the drop-down menu, simply select the unique ID you assign to your target section. It's that straightforward to connect them. Finally, it's crucial to test your new anchor links. Use Webflow's preview mode to click each link and confirm it scrolls to the correct section. Make sure your link text is clear and descriptive, guiding users effectively. For an even smoother experience, you can enable smooth scrolling in your project settings, providing a gentle animation when users jump between sections. Happy linking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.